gusto nyong lumigaya ang buhay nyo, try nyo po yung aming Loming Batangas. 100% po kapag natikman nyo po yung lomi namin. Sigurado liligaya buhay nyo. Halos lahat po dito mga Batanggenyo. Maraming nagkikrave sa lomi. Legit na Batangas lomi talaga siya. Kung ano po yung matitikman nilang Loming Batangas, pag pumunta po sila ng Batangas, ganun din po yung ma-experience nila dito. Kahibaan lang po sa amin. Meron din po kami legit na Batangas goto, mata ng baka, tapos sipita ng baka. May pinapaitan din po kami. Tsaka po chami gisado. Yun yung talagang binabalik-balikan sa amin yung chami gisado. Mga groupings na mga estudyante, mga bilaw sila kung umorder sa amin. Kaya try nyo po pumunta dito sa Call of Lomi. Dito lang po yan sa 1374 Marisa Street, Tamaraw Hills, Gente de Leon, Valenzuela City. Sabaw namin dito. Kaltun. Iigahin lang po yan. Kailangan wala siyang sabaw.
Kung Lomi lang din naman ang pupuntahan nyo dito sa Manila, na legit talaga, punta kayo dito sa Lomi House Batangas, sa Buendia Tondo. Ang mga laman ng Lomi natin, lumpiang Shanghai, siomai, shark's fin, rebosado, lechon kawali, liver, egg, chicharon, at iba pa. Yun yung special dito sa amin. Pag natikman nyo ang Lomi namin, parang nakarating na rin kayo sa Lubu, Batangas. Ang karinderiya po namin ay nagsimula noong 1987. Nung may lumipas tong panahon na to, nagtayo naman kami ng Lomi House Batangas. Bali, from Lubo, dinala namin ang Lomi dito sa Manila. Nagsimula kami sa regular Lomi lang hanggang magkaroon ng special, overload, hanggang ultimate Lomi. Ang special sa Lomi namin, legit na galing Batangas talaga ang nagluluto. Sa Lomi namin, kung papansin niyo, ang mga toppings namin ay may rebosado kami, lumpia, Shanghai, shark's fin, lechon kawali, liver, egg. Sa Lubu, Batangas, nag-focus sila sa lechon kawali tsaka yung lasa. Lahat to, puro fresh to. Maraming salamat po sa lahat na sumusuporta sa Lomi House Batangas sa Buendia Tondo. Punta na po kayo dito, located sa Balotondo, 2143 B. Buendia Street, Balotondo, Manila.
It's always me and my husband work on the cruise lines. That's where we met. And we've always been in the hospitality industry. We both have a passion for food. And it's always been our long-term goal to settle down in the Philippines. And eventually our dream come true to open this restaurant. And we're very blessed. We have all our family support. And it's just like a dream come true because we love what we're doing. We love food and we love people. So we enjoy doing what we're doing. We specialize in inasal, barbecue, lumi, charmi. We're at the moment checking out the menus, what is the demands of the people, what they like, what they don't like, what is moving, what's not moving. But the inasal is a good seller and the people love the lumi and charmi. We also have a very special sisig and everything masarap. My husband lives here in San Jose, and since I visit here, this is where we always come to. This is the ideal place. It's also a busy high street. It's close to the new municipality. It's close to the new arena. So we really saw potential here for bypassers, for the local people, and yes, we also trying to think of hosting events, and you're welcome to do your birthday parties, christening, any celebration, office meetings. Because it's a beautiful open place, it has a lot of potential for events and just family gatherings. We open from Monday to Sundays, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.